Greetings everyone, Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video I'm gonna show you a product that I have been using for more than 2 months. Quick disclaimer, they don't pay me to make this video or for future videos. They send the product, they ask me to check the product. If I like the product, just make a video about it. This involves my DJI Mini 5 Pro. There it is, that's my back. I need to get my back. The reason I need my Mini 5 Pro is because this product actually involves a drone pilot. Let's go outside and let me show you this interesting product from this company. Okay, so let me show you this product finally. This is a smart harness by Fitek Gear, and it's been like more than 2 months I have been using this product, and in today's video I'm gonna show you. So the company is called Fitek Gear. They're specializing for drone and tablet harnesses, and it's a smart harness. And the reason it's called smart harness is because you can attach different attachment, different pockets to the side of the harness, and like I said, you can attach a tablet, so you can remove the arm and you can attach a tablet. It's called a Rexon pack, which I'll demonstrate that in a separate video. But overall, this is the product which I have been using for more than 2 months, and it's been great. No issues, no problems. This is made from very good materials. As a matter of fact, actually I did a video with the founder of the Fitek Gear. He explains everything about this product, so I'm gonna make sure to link the video descriptions down below. Make sure to watch it because there's a lot of information about the company and about the products as well. And I'm very happy to show you this product finally, because the weather is getting better here in UK and I'm super excited to be outside and film more. I do have few plans with this particular product which I'm planning to do in the future, so stay tuned for that. And also the company are planning to do something very interesting. So if you're a videographer or photographer, there's some attachments that you can attach to the arm, but stay tuned for that. I'm planning to do a video, so yeah, it's gonna be a lot of cool videos for 2026, so make sure to subscribe. And now let's take off. It's been like more than 2 months since I flew my Mini 5 Pro, and yeah, this drone has been fantastic and probably is one of the best drones for 2026 if you're starting as a hobbyist and also professional, why not? So yeah, this is the Mini 5 Pro. Now something very interesting is, for example, let's say you use your Mini 5 Pro, you're checking the feet. This makes perfect sense. So as you can see, the Mini 5 Pro is there and my hands are completely free, and that's why I said earlier that there's a lot of scenarios and a lot of options and a lot of different ways that you can use this smart harness. I can see the drone, in the same time I have a perfect feed, so I can check the screen. And I think this is perfect. So let's say a colleague is coming to me to talk to me about something. Let's say I'm in the construction site. That's perfect because I can talk to my colleague, I can see the feet on the drone. If something happening, I have a control, which is perfect. And the most important thing, visual line of sight. You have to have visual line of sight at all time, and that's why I said earlier, this thing is brilliant. Obviously you can do that with a normal lanyard, depends what you do. If you're professional, if you in a construction site, if you do a lot of work, this makes perfect sense for a long time. And the fact that this is customizable, yeah, it's perfect. But yeah, I want to hear it from you guys. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about this product by Fitek Gear? I'm gonna make sure to leave all the links in the descriptions down below, and yeah, let me know. I'm super curious to check your comments in the sections down below. I think it's a great product for 2026, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.